My project is a serverless real-time analytics dashboard using the AWS Kinesis services. The main services used are EC2 to create a data stream, to handle the data stream, Kinesis data stream to upload the data stream from the instance, and the IAM for policies, as well as a Kinesis Firehose for delivering the data from the Kinesis data stream to the S3 bucket, and also the S3 bucket to save the data, real-time data. Firstly, we'll be creating the IAM user. Create a IAM user. Kinesis admin. We'll be also attach the policies here. Amazon Kinesis firstly for full access. Amazon S3 also full access. Nia full access, as well as quick site. If you don't have a quick site or any of the policies that you want, you can also create a policy. Choose a service. Quick site and all actions. Enable all of this. If you want your data to be displayed on the quick site and dashboard or create a data set, you need to enable all this. Great. Policy name Amazon quick site. Create a policy. Creating a policy. Check for the particular policy. It is there. I have the quick site. Also add the S3 as well as Kinesis. For access. Next, create the user. We've created the user. Now also create the access key. Go to the user and the security credentials. Here you can see the access key, create the access key for the command line interface. Next, it's optional. Download the CSV file. Done. And now we'll be configuring the terminal. After creating the instance, we'll be configuring the terminal. We'll create the instance first. Kinesis data stream. Create this. Keypad. Create a keypad. Launch the instance. Now we'll be connecting our instance with the terminal. Go to instances. Wait until you see the 2x2 checks for the instance that you have created. 2x2 checks. Now we'll be connecting our instance and copy this SSH client and paste it here. You need to navigate to the folder where your key pair is downloaded. The key pair name might not be the same. It is the same. So now we'll be configuring the AWS, configuring the instance. We'll be asking for the access key and the secret key, as well as the region and the file type as well. US East 1 JSON file format. Install all the packages. Command not found. We need to install and update the Python. Sudo update y. Sudo install AWS CLI. Sudo install Python 3y as well as pip as well. Python 3 pip. Now we'll be checking the version of pip. Now we'll be installing Boto3. We have created the IAM user and the instance. Now we'll create a file. First we'll be creating the AWS data stream. Provisioned, create a data stream. This is the stream metrics. After we create the data, we'll monitor the data here. We'll be creating a Python file and write this code in Python file and then enter to save the file. Python 3 20.py to run the file. This is the real-time data created here. Be continuous. I will be checking the real-time data here. Input data. You can see the data streams here. Now we'll create a S3 bucket to store the data. We'll be creating a bucket. General purpose Kinesis data storage. Create a bucket. Bucket is created. Also create a Firehose delivery stream to deliver the kinetic data from the Kinesis data stream to the S3 bucket. Source is Kinesis data stream and the destination is S3 bucket. Let's give a name Kinesis data June 21. Let's browse the source as well as the destination. Now here we'll also add a IAM rule. There's no IAM rule, so we'll create one. Go to rules, add a rule and create a rule. Search for Firehose. And next, let's add the policies. Amazon S3 full access, as well as Amazon Kinesis Firehose full access, as well as Amazon Kinesis full access. Next, Kinesis create the role. You can see the role is up here. Choose the role that you have created. We'll once check the bucket policies. Permissions. Bucket policy, we'll edit the bucket policy. Policy again. My bucket name. Account ID. So changes. Here is the data. We'll see it on the dashboard. We'll create one dashboard instead. Kinesis data. Create. Add dashboard. Now we'll be seeing the real-time data. So here is the dashboard for the real-time analytics of a temperature sensor. Temperature using the sensors. You can see the records. Bytes here. Read from the Kinesis and delivered to the S3 bucket, which has not been done yet. So refresh it. Terminate it and run again. Here is the graph. Here is the graph or the dashboard for the real-time data analytics for the temperature. Here is a real-time data is generated using a Python code. Therefore, this is the dashboard for the real-time data analytics. Thank you.